We're talking about CLAT today, but exams like GMAT and CAT, the post-graduation exams that are considered gold standard in the at a higher level also. GMAT tests people heavily on CR, CAT tests people heavily on LR, and CLAT is anyway testing through logical reasoning and legal reasoning. Now that happens because there are few things that people need to understand. These professions, most of these people who try to, when you do CLAT or then you do CAT or GMAT, you are either being a manager, business manager, or you being a legal expert, right? So what you are expected to do is you are expected to grasp complex data and large data in a very quick period of time and analyze it enough to be able to come to some kind of conclusion, not just any conclusion, but right conclusion. And exam setters across the world have felt there's nothing better than critical reasoning as a skill to test this. So those who do well in critical reasoning, I have seen in my batch at IIM Bangalore and then Stanford and stuff like that, people are not, this critical reasoning is not just about cracking this exam, but if you are really good at critical reasoning, logical reasoning, you generally tend to be good at that particular profession also. That's why they test this. And if you see, while GMAT and CAT focus a lot, the reasoning that they test is focused on business sets, interpretations, data and stuff like that, business sets. More critical reasoning in CLAT, I think, tends to focus a little more on news and, more on a bit of legal. You have a legal reasoning separately, but still, that is a context, that's a difference. I think that's something that first people need to understand. Now, I think to your question, right, when you said, what should be the approach towards doing this? What can actually be done? I think I've always told students that many people, many students, good students in fact, those who kind of get up to 70s are struggling to get to 80, 90s in CLAT. And they kind of usually critical reasoning is their Achilles heel. That's where they're struggling. Now when they come to me, they talk to me, I keep asking them, are you reading? What kind of books are you reading? I think the lot of reading that these kids generally do is catering to their verbal reading comprehension, general reading speed and stuff.